move so quickly. It's like we have to get stuff done, and if you can't communicate at any time of the day, I mean, you're not going to be able to do what you need to do. Usually the first thing I do in the morning, I'll hop online and then I'll actually connect with my development team out in the Ukraine, and we work on whatever video game project we have going on. We've been playing in a band. We'll get together, we'll rehearse. Usually, one of us will record some stuff on our phone or, our tablet, and we'll bring it in. Being able to sit anywhere and hum something into a phone or, into a tablet and be able to come back and share it with each other wouldn't have happened. I wouldn't be producing half the stuff I'm working on if we didn't have these devices.
My grandfather and my father were fishermen. They used to be totally dependent on nature, keeping an eye on the position of the sun and tracking the moon at night. Now, this cell phone gives us important information like weather, wave heights, wind speed and direction, as well as coordinates we need to find the right places. The results are amazing. If all of our fishermen had mobile phones like these, I really think our community would grow, and I think our people would have better lives.
I used to be sick a lot. I had trouble breathing. I would have blackouts. I couldn't do anything physical. I just couldn't have a normal life. My doctor ran tests and discovered that I had a heart problem. So he gave me a special wristband. It takes pictures of my heartbeat. Then my phone sends the info to the medical center. And if I have a problem with my heart, the doctor from the call center will call me right away. I now have more control over my life.
I use the tablet a lot for studying. It is a little smaller than the book. We use tablets to chat with each other, I still use it for fun and everything. It can make the study very efficient, so I can learn lots of things in little time. It's really impressive. Well, sometimes I put some music so I can read it while I'm playing without using, paper. Maybe I will be a musician when I grow up.
My name is He Fang, and I live in Beijing, China.
I'm Josh Shabtai. I'm a creative director here in New York.
My name is Adriano. I have 15 years old and live in São Paulo.
My name is Panier Selvan. I live in a village called Biram Batinam, and I'm a fisherman.
My name is Ziad Matar. I come from Lebanon. I work for Qualcomm. Welcome, everybody. To start with, إذا بتسمحوا لي راح أحكي بالإنجليزي. اللي بيحب موجود السماعات مشان الترجمة الفورية ورا. رح أحاول من وقت للتاني كمان أمرق عربي، بس إذا حاولت أحكي بالعربي رح تطلع بالإنجليزي كلها لأنه فيها كتير تكنيكال تيرمز، بقى اسمحوا لنا فيها. موبايل مثل ما شفنا is a force of change. It's changing the world. It's changing the world of a student, of a patient, of a fisherman. And this is not just a cool video. We are doing it every day. A lot of us here are using mobile to change the world. We've been working in the region for 4 years. We've launched amazing products and services with mobile. And what allows us to do this is really that mobile is the largest technology platform ever in history of mankind. There are more mobile screens than the total number of all other screens in the world combined. There are more than 6 billion mobile handsets, smartphones, smart tablets in the hands of people. There are more handsets, more phones than there are people who actually have access to clean, fresh water, even more than people have access to toothbrushes, unfortunately. And we tend to call it an industry. It is not an industry, it's beyond an industry. It's a whole economy. If you look at the numbers in mobile, today 6 billion have devices, 1.7 billion of them, also close to 2 billion, actually have 3G devices, 3G connectors. They have the internet in their pocket. They are accessing it in their pocket. And 1 million are added to this number every day. 1 million new subscribers that are accessing the internet wherever they are, whatever they are doing. It's a huge number. It's generated in 2011, $1.3 trillion US. This is 2% of the GDP of the whole world, bigger than Turkey, actually. And it creates opportunities for everybody because it is becoming a computing platform. First, it used to be a phone call platform. We used to make voice calls. Today, it's an aberration that we actually call it a smartphone because the phone part of it is such a minimum part. We are using it to chat, to talk, to post, to explore, to buy stuff, to sell stuff sometimes. We're using it to do things that initially we used to have to sit down in a corner of our office and dedicate ourselves for one machine to do it. Now this machine is with us wherever we go. And it's enabling us to do things that are very personal to us, but more than this, it is actually part of our day-to-day life, whether it is personal, work, for fun, for entertainment, for shopping, whatever we are doing. And it's enabled, by a huge convergence that's happening. The best mobile networks in the world are today in Saudi Arabia. We have 3G, we have 4G. We have 4G like nobody has in the world. And we have the latest devices, these devices that are capable of showing videos, music, knowing where you are, lasting you a full day without actually having to charge them. And then they're using these networks to access the information sitting out there in the cloud, where it doesn't need to actually reside on your devices. It is, in a nutshell, the remote control of your life. You use it to navigate the world around you, to make it simple, to make it more enjoyable. And everything is getting connected. This is the first trend that we are seeing. All these networks that we have GSM and 3G and 4G out there. You walk into your house, you have Wi-Fi. You step into the car, you have Bluetooth. Everything is being connected. And today, there's still a little bit of effort that you need to do as a user, but in the future, it's going to be seamless. It will just seamlessly work together. Without any effort, without any thinking, it will just integrate together. This creates opportunities for even more advanced services, more advanced applications and content that will enrich the life of the people around us. And the list goes on, but most importantly, devices are becoming personified. They have senses. If you look at your phone, just take a look at your phone and look at it. It can touch, it has a touch screen. It can touch, it can feel. It can hear, it has microphones. It can speak because it can speakers. It has eyes, it has cameras everywhere, in front and in the back. It can detect the world around you. The phone is becoming enabled with all the senses and combining them together, creating new capabilities in the phone. We talk about awareness in terms of where you are, in terms of your interest, in terms of what you would like to do and where you like to do it, and really serving you all the information that you need, organized around your needs, your personality, your interests. Now, why am I saying all of this? It's not because it's great. We all know this. I'm practically talking to the converted here. What we are talking here about is an announcement that we are actually here to do today. And this is about you at the end of the day. It all starts with the developers that are out there, the innovators that are out there, the entrepreneurs that are out there, and the ideas that you have. It all starts with your ideas. And this is why we are here today sponsoring the Ideathon, supporting this great initiative by ArabNet to really help you take your ideas and actually get them out there, get them in the market. We have tons of technologies. We have a great network of business development and partners all around the regions. We want to put this at your disposition to help you take your ideas from a pure concept, a light bulb that you have, and actually get it out there, get it in the hands of the consumer, the hand of the users, the hand of the people that will benefit from it. And we call it Fast Track. Qualcomm Fast Track is our new initiatives towards entrepreneurs, developers, innovative people and companies in the region. We want to fast track these ideas. It takes time and you need a lot of support. We are going to be here to support you. It all revolves around what we call QDevNet, which is nothing new. It's been around for ages. It's our developer network. It's a huge, basically, repository of development kits, technology tools, references that can help you actually develop applications and programs and services. But we are not leaving it out there on the web. We are bringing it down to the region and embodying it in everything we are doing. To start with, we're going to reach you. And I'm happy here to announce today that we have actually shifted most of our marketing budget into actually supporting events like ArabNet today. Big events where we can reach to the developers and make them aware of these technologies and how they can use them to improve their capabilities and produce even better ideas out there. In addition to reaching them, we want to accelerate them. We want to accelerate these ideas, and we'll provide technical support in the form of our technologies, of hardware and software that we can provide, but we will also provide business support. You need coaching, you need mentoring. We are partnering with the largest organization in the region on this. You need help with numbers, with analytics, with economic modeling. We are able to support this. The only thing that we are not doing, we're not paying, we're not charging. We are not investing, we are not taking a share of your company. We are only here to help you accelerate these ideas into the market, and we ask you for one thing, and one thing only in return, that you commit to do it with us in 3 months. And it's a rolling 3 months. This is not an event or a competition. You come to Qualcomm, you say, I have a great idea. You say, can you do it in 3 months? You say, yes. You say, okay, let's do it together. Once it's out there, 3 months from now, we'll take it and commercialize it. Our office in the Middle East and Africa covers 1.5 billion people. This is the size of China, but over 85 different countries. More than 300 mobile operators, thousands of phone outlets, distributors, people who are working within the mobile ecosystems. We are going to take these ideas and make them available to all our partners so that they can help you in commercializing them and taking them to the markets everywhere from Morocco to Mongolia, all the way down to South Africa. We call it Fast Track, and we thank you very much for being with us here. I'll leave it now to your ideas, and we listen to them, and we take it from there. Thank you very much.